How PrestaShop Private Shop Module helps create an exclusive store. Create a private and exclusive PrestaShop store. Restrict store access for selected customers. Control visibility using password protection. Manage access easily from the admin panel. Ideal for VIP, B2B, or wholesale stores. In this video, we will understand the private shop module of PrestaShop. So yeah, we are proceeding further with its installation first. To install the module on the PrestaShop store, first we have to click on Upload a Module button. When you will click on it, you will have a pop-up like this, where you have to click on Select a File button. When you will click here, it will redirect you to the local, where you have to choose the file and upload it here. When the module is installed completely, you have to click on Configure button. It will redirect you to the General Settings page, and where you will find the module in the Disable state by default, because you have first time installed the module on your store. So, now proceed further to configure the module. First button says Enable, Disable. If you will enable and click on Save, it will save the configuration and show you a message of successful update that confirms that module is being enabled on the front end. Now, as you can see on the front end, there is a form which blocks the complete store form of login, that is blocking the complete store. Now, the login pop-up sign-up form position will be in the center or in the right or left. You can choose it from here. We can keep it left, right, or center, whatever required. We have two themes, predefined, modern, or default. If we have set the default model, then we are having an option to edit the text of title of sign up and login page. If you have set it to default and we have an option to set the opacity, then if you have enabled the sign up and if you have disabled it, so on the login form on the front end, you will not find an option to create a new account. Only the logged in customer, only the existing customer can log in to the website. No new customer can be created through private shop login form since it blocks complete store, and there is no option to create a new registration. Next is Verify New Customer Account. If the new sign-up is enabled, then once the account has been created, it has been gone to the admin and to verify their account. Once it is approved, then user can enter to the website. So, just suppose if you have created an account and click on Register Now, it will show us a message. Thank you for registering with us, and we will get back to you soon with the validation procedure. The next, we are having a Field to New Account message that is being shown right now. Next, we are having a form background. Here, we can apply the color, we can apply the image, we can apply the YouTube. You have to enter the YouTube URL here, and the video will be working at the background of the private shop page. If you have uploaded a video, just click on Save. In case a correct video is not uploaded, it won't work on the page. Just refresh the front end and you will find a video will work on the back end. Next, we are having a custom CSS. Here, you have to enter a code that will work for the custom CSS on the store. The same will work with the custom JSA as well. Next tab, we are having of the access setting. On the access setting tab, we have an option of customized shop type. In case you want to block the complete shop, you can select the complete shop option. In case you want specific pages to be blocked, then you can select the Only Select, and here you can select the category page, the private pages of CMS pages you can choose, or any product which you wanted to block. When you will select Only Selected, then you are able to choose the specific pages that you wanted to block through Private Shop, and here you can also block or allow only the customers you want. You can add those IPs on which you want your store should work, and rest of them should be blocked. So, on the Choose Private Product, you can enter the product name and you can choose here. You can choose the category you wanted to be blocked through Private Shop. You can choose the CMS page and click on Save, and you will click on Save. So we have given IP. On this IP, all the pages will be working fine. All the pages that are blocked for others will also be accessible for this IP. Since we have added an IP and the model is working in the test mode, if you will remove the IP and click on Save, now the closed category will not be open easily for any customer. It will block the page. You are not able to get the closed category. Now, if you refresh the page and back to the home page and you select any other category, you will be easily able to access the same. Now, next, we are having a private customers. Whatever the customers who has been registered on the private shop will be listed here, and if they are approved from the admin, then only they can access the store, else they cannot access the same. The admin can view the details of the customer who has logged in. It will redirect through the customer detail page, and you can also make them delete from the listing. Next, we are having an email template which will go to the customer when their store has been approved through admin. So this is how the Private Shop module works on the PrestaShop store. Thank you.